Alrighty, first 16 home tray is ready, marked, labeled. We have 2 extra strands that are going to go back through that little pipe there. And this tray, this section of the tray is closed, so we will never have to open it again unless something happened. Other than that, this tray is complete. And to test it, we injected light all the way at the beginning, and these are the one going to the 16 first home, and our light has been injected through here, and they make a turn, it comes back. This is the entrance, this is the exit to the 16 home, and this one will go spool out and goes all the way down to these 3 tubes, which each of them has 6, so that is 18. We're only using 16. And the 2 extra one, if you see them here, there is this blue and brown. They're going back to the next tray, maybe for a dedicated. Here you go, I marked it here. The blue, this one, and the string blue brown. There's 2 of them. These 2 here. These are dedicated. These are going to be connected straight to our core switch. And like I said, we'll light it up from the main OLT, the test light, and we go all the way to the end of the spool. And as you can see here, I don't know if you see the light. The red light, I see it really bright from my side. So this is it. Let's move on to the next tray.